In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Snowflake MFA. Securing your Snowflake account is a crucial step in safeguarding your data and enabling multi-factor authentication, often known as MFA, adds an extra layer of protection. Today, I'll guide you through the steps to set this up with ease. First things first, you'll need to sign in to Snowsite, which is Snowflake's web interface. If you aren't familiar with it, Snowsite is where you can perform all your database tasks, so it's the perfect place to begin this process. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. After clicking on your profile icon, you'll want to navigate to the Settings area of your account. Under Settings, find the Authentication tab. This is where we will add that crucial layer of security through multi-factor authentication. Now, in the multi-factor authentication section, you'll notice an option to Add New Authentication Method. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you'll choose how you want to authenticate your identity beyond just your password, adding that extra shield of security. When it comes to selecting an MFA method, Snowflake offers you a few options. Let's go through them so you can decide which one suits you best. First up, there's Passkey. This method utilizes biometric or PIN-based authentication. If your device supports biometric identification, like fingerprint scans or facial recognition, this could be a convenient choice. Another option is the Authenticator app. This method generates a time-based one-time passcode, or TOTP for short. Apps like Google Authenticator or Authy are popular choices for this method. Once set up, your Authenticator app will provide a new passcode every 30 seconds or so, which you will enter upon logging in. Finally, there's Duo Security. If you already use the Duo mobile app, this might be the ideal choice for you. It sends a push notification to your phone where you simply tap to authenticate your login attempt. After choosing your preferred method, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. This typically involves scanning a QR code or entering a setup key into your chosen app. Make sure to complete these steps carefully, as they're critical for ensuring your MFA is properly activated. And there you have it. You've successfully added another layer of security to your Snowflake account by enabling multi-factor authentication. Remember, safeguarding your data is an ongoing process, and robust security measures like MFA are essential. Thanks for watching, and make sure to explore other security features in Snowflake to keep your data as safe as possible.